Wala. Dahil na pamalakad po ng education system po natin yun, ay tama lang naman po. Dahil ang paniniwala po dati ay laging tama po dahil hindi teknolohiya ang kasagutan sa pag-aaral po natin lahat. Yun ang
Ayan. So wala siyang
papalitan.
Thank you very much, Daryl.
Medyo ordinary yung question. Pero okay. Yun.
So, we call on Mr. Team Candidate number 3, EJ Villar.
EJ Villar. Sean
Hello,
Andrew.
John Andrew. How are you? You may use the mic.
Yeah, I'm good, but I feel pressure because it's my first time.
Okay, it is his first time at the
Sabi ko sa mga pagiging ngayon, ngayong gabi.
So I would say thank you to my family, especially to my husband.
Okay, hello family. Okay, pick your question.
You may pick your question and give it to Ate Bella. Ate Bella is asking you the question.
Okay, here is your question. What brings you so much joy that you choose it again and again, no matter the challenges? Tagalog. Kung may isang bagay kang gagawin habang buhay nang hindi ka nagsasawa, ano ito